Hello everyone, this is Shyam Kumar in front of you. So I belong to Jharkhand state. So today in this video I want to tell you I want to speak English continuously 30 minutes. It's today my target that yes I will speak English because I have been practicing English so long time but never faced such kind of camera continuously 30 minutes. So first time I am facing this camera. I mean that before time I tried many time to making video 5 minutes 10 minutes but it took long time. Why? I don't know, but I today I thought that I will speak continuously 30 minutes, maybe any particular topic, any kind of topic, randomly, whatever mind will come. Because of these days I'm learning English. Also, I'm teaching some student. I mean that small children nowadays. I have started teaching in my area, in my village. So upcoming time I want to teach intermediate level student, means who has completed 10th to 12th and upper studies completed any medium, no problem, but I want to teach grammar, translation, whatever is necessary in English. Also Swiss classes I want to learn, but all things I am in this stage learning. But today my target is to speak in front of a mobile camera 30 minutes. I'm able to speak or not, but I will continue now in this video, and I will give my 100% efforts. Whatever randomly mind will come, any kind of subject topic, then I want to discuss with you. You listen carefully. If you listen, then you can know about myself, what kind of method I apply. Everything I want to tell you through this video in 30 minutes. So also my desire was to learn this language when I was class 5th class. I was student a Hindi medium background. I was studying in Hindi medium in previous time. So it's long time before I was class 5, approximately maybe 17 18 years before I was class 5 6 class. Then I thought that I should learn this language because which school I was studying, that school belongs to Christian, means Christian people, means father sister, they were teaching that teacher. All those teacher belongs to Kerala. See, he know very well English. After listening his English, their English, I thought that I should learn this language. That time I was aware of this language. I didn't know English is a language are spoken everywhere, means all entire world. It is a international, but the international world. So I don't know at that time, but I thought that I should learn this language because my subject in my syllabus English was a subject. So I was learning this English. That time I was not learning, not I was studying as a subject. That time my English is Hindi background, so that's why there was not teaching English as a language. So then I thought that I should learn this language because I thought that if I learn this language, that time only I was my interest was to learn this language. I didn't know anything about more thing, means that time I didn't decide what to become in future, but my desire was to learn this language. That time after listening any kind of speech by sister, father, that teacher belongs to Kerala, then I thought I should learn this language. But that time my English was really very weak. I didn't know completely, means any sentence formation, means how to speak, how to write anything properly. I also didn't know how to read any book very clear way. I didn't had ideas, but I passed out 10th. I got maximum, I think that minimum 40 number in English, because my English was not so good. Just I passed out. Then I thought, what should I do? So then I thought that I should take in 12th standard as a subject what science. If I was thinking that if I take a science subject in English, so I could learn this language very clearly. I could learn this language because I am studying. I will study in English. So I took science subject really science was for me very tough because my English and math and science all subjects were so weak. That's why I was facing a lot of problem. So just I completed 12th. I only passed out from how to say in second division. Then I thought I should take new step if I want to learn this language. But teach learning science through I think that 20% I got some English area means I learn physics, chemistry, math means something there in English. But I was studying in 12th in not completely English medium. Hindi medium teacher were teaching there, so did not complete completely means 20% that time my English was good that time. Then after passing 12th I thought that I should take admission in graduation English honors. So I took admission in English honors. Then also I was feeling so hard all the study whatever syllabus was in English means my literature subject was English. So I was not able to read anything, so all book completely. I was not getting, I was not understanding and everything in English. Then I thought that what should I do? I give an examination. Then I did not thought what result. I completed what graduation from IGNOU in English honor, but I was not thinking yes my English is also not good. That time in between graduation I thought that I should go. I had thought that I should go Patna because that time I was thinking that if I go in city area then I maybe teacher are very advanced level means if I live there that environment I can learn English very easy way. Then I went to Patna and there I studied continuously 1 year. I took spoken classes, but also there my English was not so good. Teacher were teaching grammars and also spoken classes was holding there running there means 1 hour grammar theory classes and 1 hour spoken classes. That time also my English was not so weak. I was not able to speak with anyone because I don't know the reason. What is the reason? But I was thinking that that classes spoken classes was only 6 months, but I gave there 1 year continuously because my English was not so weak. Living in also city, I did not get good environment, but I don't know what is the reason. But I continued my learning journey. So also in after 12th I came in my area. Also I here many classes I had taken that time is 3 4 grammar classes spoken classes I had taken in my area side. So in my life I have taken completely five English classes for learning this language. But that what say classes through I did not learn much more means I think that 25-30% I knew this language. But I continued continuously. I continued my journey, means learning journey. How I listening practice I continued and also reading practice. Tried. I was not getting proper time. Means that one day I was reading, another day I was not reading because I was not feeling better how to learn this language. So then I continuously I did practicing this kinds this type of I live in a village, so village language is very different. Then after Hindi comes, Hindi language, Hindi is my second language. It is my schooling language, academic language. I use in at home. I use in home another mother tongue. So English is my third language, but I continued listening practice. So okay, some days later, means some years later, then I knew one application which Skype. So people were connecting with the people in English. So I thought that yes, this application through I can learn this language. So then I installed application Skype, and that through I started connecting with the people. So in my life, I think that 400 more than 500 above times I connected with the people. I tried there. So also I was not feeling better. Means whatever I was talking in only general, not any special thing I was learning. Yes, that through my fairness and my what's a shyness went through speaking with the people. That's why I got some confidence. Yes, I can speak English now with any person in general conversation. In general conversations, I am good head. So also I continued. Still now I'm conditioning, I'm learning this language, I'm trying to do new things related to this language. Means I want to develop many skill through this language. Means I want to learn many things through this language. If I continue my journey, definitely I can achieve my goal. So nowadays I am teaching in village area. So if I complete all the things in related English, then I want to shift other place. Means I want to settle in town, city area. There I will teach. Also I am to explore many places. My first reason is to learn this language completely. Then I want to teach some student. Then after I want to earn some money. Then after I'm thinking to I will go city. Then I will want to teach there. I want to earn some money because there are two reasons to earn money. I want to explore many places. Also I want to help many people, many students to learn this language, because in my life I have been learning this English last, I think that 12-13 years before I started learning this language. That time I had only one hope. I want to learn this language. If I know this language, I can fulfill my all desire. So I think that if after learning this language, definitely my all desire will fulfill. Means what kinds of desire I have? I have desire means I want to visit many places. I want to help many people. So no, this time I have two M means I want to help many people. Means financial. If anybody are facing problem, then I want to help giving some money. Any kinds of have problem, I want to solve. Without money, I cannot help anyone. So knowledge is the more important part in life. Without knowledge, people life is like animal. That's why I think that why it took a long time to learn this language, because in this time I am 32 33 years old. So in the 33 years I learn many things from my life. Means I got some experience. Also experience work in moving towards mean in life. If you long time you live in this earth, means your age is high, then you can know about this world properly. In early ages it was not possible. So I think that God is taking my examination. Means that what do you want to so what do you want to do, it will take time. If your anybody's dream is big, then it will take long time. If your dream is short, means you have thought only small thing in your life, you want to achieve a small goal, then small goal, if you want to achieve it, will few times you can achieve. But anybody's goal is very long, big, you have big desires, then it will take long time for completing this thing. That's why I am thinking that God is taking my examination. So that's why this time you can see this kinds of dress I have put on. Means I have weird. I am some special kinds of person. I believe in God. So if you are in God with, then what will be? Means God will take long time. Means you will take your exam. You are able to pass or not. So that's maybe that reason God is taking my examination for growing. I think that all kinds of difficulty is the failure is the stair of success. Means I'm forgetting this line, but mistake through I'm learning all things. So I'm getting experience through this mistake. So that's why I thought that I will continue my journey. People have different types of desire, that want to become different things in life. But my only one desire, I want to become a good knowledgeable person. I want to gain lots of knowledge like spirituality. That's why I try to learn new things in spirituality. Like means I have a habit of reading Bhagavad Gita every day. That's why every day I read Bhagavad Gita. That through I get some motivation. Means that knowledge through I feel I'm so energetic. There are many books in this world, but all those books are only materially, means physical. I don't like this kind of knowledge. It is not important for me. So that's why I am not interested. I have no interest in reading such type of book. I read only religious and that spirituality book I like too much because what say I want to know new things in this universe. What is the actually meaning of this universe? Why I am here? So that questions answer will give through that only that book, spirituality book. If I read any religious book, then I can find that question answer. So I am the on the way of learning what's the truth. So I have to go through this line. That's why I started learning. So very long time after I am learning this time. Means I have started learning this kind of book very long time before. So in still now I am learning this learning this spiritual knowledge. So also I am to share with you. Yes, this language is really. Sometimes you will feel very hard. Sometimes you will feel very what's easy. What is this? The mind process. When your mind will be free, then you will feel it is very easy. Sometimes feel depressed. Then what will that time I feel it is feel I feel that very bored. It is not for me. Means I am not able to learn this language. But I want to tell you here. Morning time is very what say. Morning time is good for a study, and if you do work in morning time, early morning. I mean that if you wake up 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, this time environment live what say so calm, so free. This time if you study, then usually you can understand that time. That is really very good because that time oxygen level you can say peace. That time you live your mind. That time you will find that more active that time because after sleeping taking rest your mind what say in that time in relaxed mode, active mode, you can understand, you can get anything if you do that time any kind of work. This thing morning time is very necessary for everyone. So now I have spoken at least 17 minutes. So 13 minutes I think that remaining, then my 30 minutes will complete. Yes, in this time I'm able to speak many things because whatever incident and happen in earlier time I can see in mind their picture. That's why I am able to do. Yes, if anybody wants to speak English in very better way, what would is the best method? Means whatever try to speak. Maybe in front of mirror, maybe in front of your mobile camera, maybe in front of any person. You try to speak, try to express. This time I'm able to speak because I know this thing properly. In this time I'm not thinking, I'm not translating my mother tongue to in English, Hindi to English. Just I'm talking to you because I have taken a target that I have to complete. If you take a target, then definitely you can do this. Suppose that 50 kilometers is to go in a day, you will feel it's very hard. But if you continue, if you walk, then you can reach. It happened with me. So Bolbam, do you know that people go in Sawan month Shiv temple and taking what's a Ganga's river water, river water. Then so that day I continued walk. I think 30 kilometer. The next day 30 kilometer. In 3 days I completed 100 kilometer. So first day I felt that it is not very, it is very hard for me. But if you continue go, then it will be a habit of going walking. Then you can go. This kind of incident happens. If you try once time, to definitely you can achieve. You made a plan, means you have to do this thing. Suppose that before time I was trying to make any video continuously, what to say, 1 minute 2 minutes video. It was taking 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sometimes 2 3 13 minutes, 20 minutes. Why? Because that time I was getting stuck what to speak next, because I don't know That reason maybe I had no habit of speaking. In this time I'm able to speak. So I think easily I can speak. I think that in this time I can speak continuously 5 hours, 6 hour, because of I have done lots of practice before time. If I collect my time means doing practice, so I think that in 13 years, if I tell about my time, maybe I can't count in hours, but I have done lots of practice. So I think many time I whole night I did practice, means speaking practice, means 6, 7, 8 hours. I think 7, 8 times I have done a whole night speaking practice alone, self practice. So this kinds of practice I have done. That's why I'm in this time able to speak. Yes, without practice, without hard working, doing, not able to do anything. So that's many people can't work long time, because no that person has not done any kinds of any kinds of exercise. I mean that never gone any place. Then how can the person will get tired? Yes, in this time I'm able to speak 13 minutes, 5 hours, 6 hours. I have that stamina. I have done this kind of practice. That's why I'm able to speak. So, yes, in future I will have to face many kinds of problem, many kinds of difficulty I have to face. That's why I'm trying to do, means I try to do everyday exercise, walking exercise. I do sometimes physical exercise, sometimes do yoga, because in future I want to travel many places. That's why I think that if in this time I'm not able to do, means if I do not do exercise, any physical activity, then it will I can't move many places. I can't go any places. I can't roam any places, because I am thinking that if I start in traveling, then I will 12 hour, 13 hour. I want to go. I want to walk anywhere. If I start my traveling journey, so that's why I every day do what walking, doing any kinds of activity, physical activity, means exercise. I do. So tell me, all of you, how are you doing? Means how are you learning this language? What kinds of method are you applying to learn this language? So mostly nowadays, my focus on I do self practice, speaking practice. I do every day. Maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but I do every day. Also, I do listening practice. Sometimes I listen different kinds of video on YouTube. So I want to continue my English speaking journey. If I do not, then I cannot achieve my goal. My goal, what to say, is very big desire. Means entire world I want to visit. That's why I need more and more. I need practice. If I do not do more practice, I cannot do complete my desire, my dream. All of you know that English is not our mother tongue. We are learning this language as a second language. We want to connect many people. We want to be famous in YouTube through this language, because if we know properly this language, then people will know you through YouTube. If you go anywhere, then if you know this language, if you speak English, then people will appreciate you. You speak this language. This is the this time is a global language. If you speak this language, then people will definitely appreciate. So whenever I go any place, I speak English, then people, yes, village people look at me and say, yeah, wow, you speak English very well. How did you learn this language? So I tell them I did lots of practice for learning this language. So also I feel in my family, in no one is speaking English. Yes, but my niece and nephew can speak this language, because both are studying in CBSE English medium school. That's why that person meant that my niece and nephew are able to speak, because they are English speaking environment. All the teacher were from Kerala. That's why means that all time they get English speaking environment in classroom, also out of classroom. That is the good school. It is the ICSE board, so they are good teaching. There is good teaching environment. So okay, so also I have completed, now I have completed 24. Yes, in this time I'm able to speak. Able to speak this time 24. I'm feeling so happy. There are remaining only 6 minutes. I think that easily I can speak 6 minutes. I have told that I can speak English 6 hour, 3 hour continuously. Yes, definitely I can speak because I have done this kinds of practice. I think many people haven't done this kind of practice, but I have 7 8 times whole night I talked in English. Means self practicing I have done. That's why 6 hour it's for me very easy. I can speak 6 hour English anywhere by standing. If I stand anywhere, I can speak 6 hour. Yes, I have lots of topic for discussion, for telling anyone, so easily I can speak 6 hour. In between I can take break. I will take only what kinds of break I will speaking. I will drink water, it's necessary. This time I am feeling thirsty because I am continuously I am speaking, and that's why I am feeling some thirsty. But whatever I have thought that I will speak continuously 30 minutes, then I will speak. If I complete, then one target completed. So next time I will try 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 70 minutes. I will try. Yes, you have to try. If you want to become a good speaker in English, then you have to try. Yes, in front of your camera, in front of your mobile, try to record your video, try to watch where are you doing mistake. Yes, I know that I am doing mistake. Don't judge my mistake. This time I have thought that I will speak. I am trying to rectify my mistake. Yes, it will take time. If every day I speak 30 minutes, definitely what? If I second time I will miss recording video, if I watch, yes, I am doing mistake, then I can catch my mistake where I'm doing mistake. Which kind of thing I have to improve, means which kind of sentence I think that I should learn, which kinds of word I have to use. So if I read every day, if I gain knowledge every day, any kinds of knowledge in related English, then definitely I think one day my English will be better. I know that it depends on practice anyone. If anybody do English speaking practice every day, definitely that person can become success. Also I belong to a village area. I didn't get a speaking pattern here, but that internet through I learned this language, and I'm trying to do my best. I am trying to do better in this field. So definitely I will achieve my goal. Hard work never goes what's waste. So you have to try again and again. I tried many times. I can't share with you how many times I tried. Already I have told that I have been learning this language last 13 years. It is so huge time. I have spent lots of money, means 2 3 lakh our money. I went many institute to learn this language. So because my only was desire that I want to learn this language at any cost, so I continued my journey. In this time I'm able to speak because of I have done hard practice. Yes, teacher through I learned few things. Mistakes I came to completely new. Without I think that there are few person can learn this language through mobile app, but teacher is necessary. Teacher through I knew tense. I practice a lot time practice, maybe 1,000 times ever I have practiced tense, all the rules. That's why I said that you must know tense. Through in this time you can learn this language through mobile is a good gadget. In this time, this through you can learn any language you can learn. So also in this time I want to add something that in future I want to learn many languages. Means I have targeted that many more language I want to learn through this mobile. Maybe I think that 100 I have thought that, but few percentage I want to learn, means introduction part, how to interact with the people. Means few things I want to learn, maybe 1%. I don't know how much, but I want to learn different languages, like introduction thing. Means I want to connect with the people that area belongs to. I want to feel and I want to talk with him them. So this thing my journey will be. I will learn after this language, next new language. Definitely I can achieve my goal. If I have a big desire, definitely if anybody has big desire, it will take long times. So I have given lots of time to learn this language. So all of you tell me how is going your study. I hope that you are doing better, you are learning. Try to do this method, means making your video. You try to record video and try to watch every day. You try this kind of activity. You know, there's will, there's way. One, you know, if you want to learn this level, definitely time will give you this time. Means you will get this what's a chance to speak. So definitely you take a yes. Okay, I will meet you another video. Now I'm going to complete 13 minutes. So keep watching my video. I will bring new videos, but I will make long videos. Okay, till now, bye. Very soon I will meet you next day.